The humanoid robotics field is constantly unveiling new and innovative creations, and now science fiction has become reality with the long-awaited humanoid robotic bartender, Kime, thanks to Macco Robotics. And Kime doesn't only serve as a bartender, but can also work as a chef, janitor, a storekeeper, caretaker, assistant, and a waiter. The company presented a chart of how Kime will continue to evolve in the upcoming years, along with a list of interesting value propositions. Macco Robotics claims the bot is highly productive, and that I don't doubt, considering it can work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The company estimates a return of investment within only 1 to 2 years, meaning everything you make after that should be profit, ultimately reducing costs in the long run. This impressive, flexible bot is also a great way of attracting people and impressing potential clientele. Standing at a height of 2 meters or 6 feet 5 inches tall, this simple yet practical design is more welcoming and easier to approach than many other humanoid robots we've seen in this sector. One of Kime's main functions revolve around its knowledge of creating and serving a wide variety of dishes and beverages. It's equipped with sophisticated programming and precision engineering, which allows the bot to perform complex culinary tasks with efficiency and accuracy. The bot has mixing and pouring drinks down to a science, with the ability to control temperature, pressure, and even slanting the glasses just the right way so they don't foam over. It's even said that Kime can pour a beer to perfection in just 23 seconds. That looks like a good beer. Now, if it's doing that 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, I'd find this incredibly difficult to compete with if companies begin to massively adopt Kime, which seems highly probable considering how flexible the bot is and how quick the estimated return of investment is on top of that. I can easily see this being used in malls, restaurants, drive-thrus, coffee shops, clubs, movie theaters, bars, and even hospitals or assisted living centers in the near future. It looks like the bot works in a kiosk now, but will be more mobile in the future, making it easier to serve its customers more conveniently. The future is now, folks. Bartending robots.
Give me your biggest, strongest, cheapest drink.
You got it.
There you have it. What more could you ask for? Speaking of ordering a beer, customers can pay by app or a touchscreen interface, and up to 10 products can be served per kiosk. Now, the site also has data like estimated income potentials, service speed, and other info like a 1% possibility of error, but that's not bad considering it can serve 300 beers per hour and even remember regular customers. I imagine getting it fixed if it breaks down isn't such a simple task though. So what does it cost? I'm reading the cost of owning one can range between $20,000 and $50,000 US, while other sources say $20,000 to $30,000. I couldn't find a price directly on the website, but it looks like you'll have to inquire with a message if you're serious about renting or buying one. I have to say, I'm surprised with the versatility and potential of this robot, and it's still under development, so I'm really interested to see how it evolves and assimilates into society over the upcoming years. What do you think about robot chefs and bartenders? Do you find this exciting or a little more worrisome? Let me know in the comments section below, and to stay up to date with future content, hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you all for watching, and until next time, save that money.